Before we begin, make sure you are wearing the right safety gear for the site you are working on and tools you are using. You will need a fly screen door roller part number 104761, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a second pair of hands depending on the size and weight of the product. There are many reasons why rollers need replacing. Your house may have settled over time, or your rollers may have worn a little. Ensure you remove the sliding door stop before proceeding. In order to remove your fly door, use a Phillips head screwdriver and rotate the screw anti-clockwise to loosen both rollers. This is to remove the tension that holds the fly door into position. And repeat this on the bottom roller. Now you will need to stand on the outside of your house and place both hands under each roller. Push the roller into its casing. Allow the fly door to pull away from the track. Rest the fly door in front of the track and gently tilting the bottom out towards you until the fly door can be removed. Place the fly door on its side with the bottom rollers facing towards you. Ensure you have floor protection to rest the panels on, as it will prevent scratches on your flooring and from the outdoor elements. Using a flathead screwdriver, lever the roller casing away from the aluminium and repeat this on the other bottom roller. Now that you have removed the bottom rollers, make sure the adjustment screw on the roller casing is facing towards the inside of the house. Place it into the cutout of the aluminium and repeat this on the other bottom roller. Now stand the fly door right side up with the new rollers on the bottom. Lift the fly door into the head and tilt the bottom forward, so the rollers are placed on top of the pip track. Time to adjust the fly door. In order to adjust, stand on the inside of the house to see the gap at the top and the bottom between the fly door and the frame. Take note of which side needs to be raised or lowered to square it back up. To perform the adjustment, place your Phillips head screwdriver into the bottom roller adjustment slot and turn the screw to adjust the rollers on that side. Turn your screwdriver clockwise to raise the side of the fly door, or anti-clockwise to lower it. You will need to raise or lower the rollers on both sides of the fly door to ensure it's parallel with the frame. Next, we will need to tension both fly door rollers at the top to hold the fly door within the frame. Now, you will need to check how it operates and meets with the striker plate.